Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at how to solve systems of equations by substitution. Solving systems of equations by substitution. So if you look at the word substitution and break that down, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be replacing something with something that should be equal to it, and then solving and using that to find out um, different points or find coordinates in a system of equations. So I've got this worksheet here, but I'm not going to do everything on the worksheet. I'm just going to do a few problems. So first, I'm going to do these problems right here, A, B, C, and D. Okay, and I'll probably put that in one video and then put the other problems in a different video. So it'll probably be two parts to this. But here's the first part here, and it says here are four systems of equations you saw earlier. Not worry about the earlier part. It says solve each system, then check your solutions by substituting them into the original equation to see if the equations are true. What we're going to do is just solve them. And you could definitely take them and plug them back in to see if they make sense, but we're just going to solve them. So first, I'm going to zoom in on A here and do this one first. So like I said, what we want to do is substitute. Okay, and I'm going to start with this first equation here. X plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay, and I want to substitute the x because I know that x is equal to negative 5. Right, it says right here x is equal to negative 5. So I'm going to substitute that. So I'm going to put parentheses right here to fill in for that x. Okay, and what goes into that x is this negative 5. So I'm putting negative 5 right here. Okay, and now I'm going to work it just like any other equation. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 5 on both sides. Then I'm going to bring down the 2y here. It's going to be equal to 8 plus 5, which is 13. And then I'm going to divide by 2. And y is equal to, and it's going to be a decimal, it's going to be 6.5. Okay, so, and we're looking for coordinates. We're looking for an x and a y, okay? And the x is already given, negative 5, and the y is 6.5. And that's it for A. All right, let's take a look at B. All right, now with B, instead of giving us the x, they give us the y. So I'm going to write out this y is equal to negative 7x plus 15, sorry, plus 13. And I'm going to replace this y. Fix that. Awesome. I'm going to replace this y with negative 1. Okay, and I'm going to rewrite this one. I didn't do it last time. I'm going to rewrite this. Negative 1 is equal to negative 7x plus 13. Okay, notice how we got the variable on the right side instead of on the left. And I'm not going to move it to the left. I'm going to leave it right here on the right and just go ahead and subtract this 13. If I add 1, there won't be anything on the left side. So I don't want to do that. I just want to subtract 13 on both sides. And that's going to give me negative 14 is equal to negative 7x. And now I've got negative 7 times x. I'm going to divide by negative 7 on both sides. The 7's cancel out. And here I get positive 2. So 2 is equal to x. Another way to say that is to say x is equal to 2. So we've got our coordinate. We've got x, which is 2, and y, which they already gave us, is negative 1. And that's B. All right, now let's take a look at some more problems here. All right, now here, they don't give us just simple x equal or y equal. So what we'll need to do is, instead of just putting in one number, we're going to put a whole algebraic expression in to substitute there. Okay? Okay. Actually, I'm going to make it even easier than that. Okay? So look how we have, let me use this button. We got 3x. 3x is equal to 8. All right? And so I can replace this 3x or substitute the 3x with something that's equal to the whole 3x, which is 8. So I'm going to replace this 3x with 8. So now I'm going to have 8 plus y is equal to 15. All right, now I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. And that's going to give me y is equal to 15 minus 8, which is 7. All right, so now I know what y is, but I need to know what x is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and plug that back in. Actually, I could plug it back in and solve it, but since I already have an equation with just x in it, I could just solve that right away. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this 3x equal 8. I'm going to divide by 3. I got x is equal to 8 divided by 3, which is a repeating decimal, so I'm just going to leave it as 8 over 3. So my point is going to be 8 over 3 and 7. Okay, now let's take a look at D here. All right, so I've got 4 plus y is equal to 12, and I have an expression for y right here. This 2x minus 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this 4 plus y. Matter of fact, I'm just going to rewrite the whole thing here. And that y I'm going to make bigger. 4 plus parentheses, which is the y, is equal to 12. All right, and I am going to plug in the 2x minus 7 right here. And because that's what y is, I'm going to substitute. So I got 2x minus 7. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite it one more time. 4 plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 12. and I'm going to add my like terms, which here is this 4 and this -7. That's going to give me -3 plus 2x is equal to 12. Now I'm just going to solve for x here. I'm going to add 3 on both sides. I got 2x is equal to 15. And then we'll do 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So we got some of this. We've got the 7.5. All we need now is the y. So we got the x. We're going to find y. What I'm going to do is substitute again. I'm going to plug in 7.5 here. So I've got y is equal to 2 times 7.5 minus 7. All right. Y is equal to 2 times 7.5, which is 15. And then 15 minus 7 is 8. So our point is going to be 7.5 and 8. And that's the answer. Make sure you put your answer in as a coordinate. So I'm going to zoom out and show all of these here. And that's it for this video. Again, I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.